The Amazon outlet section has been a secret for the longest, until now of course, because I'm about to show you how you can navigate it like a pro and make a huge amount of deals. Let's not waste time and let's get into it. Let's start by typing on Google Amazon outlet section. As you can see from the first result, it's also called the overstock section, and I will explain you why it's called like that in just 1 minute. Let's click on the first result. As soon as we open the page, we can read Amazon outlet up to 50% off overstock deals. And let me explain you what an overstock deal is. An overstock deal is when a seller is paying more to keep the items than selling them for a loss. It's a very simple concept, but trust me, sellers are losing thousands of dollars by keeping products unsold. So you can already understand that we can make good deals in this section of Amazon. A very common mistake that people make is to actually scroll all the way down and click shop by category. Clicking on any one of these categories will drive you out of the Amazon deals section. And the proof is right here. In this corner, you see Amazon.com outlet. Now let's test the category. To test it out, let's click on any of this category. I'm gonna choose under $10. And look at the top, it's not outlet anymore. So we want to check this top part and always make sure that we're still on the Amazon outlet section. Now let's type into the search bar the item we're looking for. In my case, I'm looking for an electric scooter and I want to try to find a 50% off deal. So let's go ahead and type electric scooter. And the next thing that I will do, I will actually select right here on the right corner, sort by price, low to high. The first results are not what I'm looking for because it's the cheapest thing. This is a perfect example. Right here, I found an electric scooter that is priced at 50% off. 51% off, $242. Now, before buying, we want to make sure that this deal is legit. To verify that the discount is actually 50%, we're going to copy the name of the product and Google it to see the price on the internet. Always check on the original website what's the price they're selling it for. In this case, the scooter is selling for $499 and that's a legit deal. So now that you verify that it's a legit deal, click add to cart. Always deny the protection plan. I've dropped the link in the video description, but before going, like the video and subscribe to the channel because I will save you a ton of money. Thank you so much for watching and see you next video.